Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the shirt or dress on CapCut. So this is the tricks that you can try to create. You can edit it using a CapCut app. All you have to do now, open the CapCut. You can tap the video and you can slide the toolbar. Try to search the adjust. You can tap adjust. Then you can try to tap on HSL. So this man shirt color is blue. You can tap blue color to create or to change the color of this man dress. So you can try to play with the hue, the saturation, the lightness here. Simple. Here this man color, dress color is changing. So you can be creative here. Maybe you want to change into the red one, the blue one. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.